Blockchain's revolutionary potential reaches far beyond the financial sector. The gaming industry, ever hungry for change, is now embracing blockchain, and the new technology looks set to disrupt the $100 billion global industry. What is MyPetSocial? MyPetSocial is a social network for NFTs gaming on Binance Smart Chain, where you can generate more profit from your NFTs. By making the most of NFTs usage, MyPetSocial promises to bring about the best user's experience of the crypto world. Special features: add NFTs from all gaming platforms on Binance Smart Chain. You can add NFTs from any gaming platform on Binance Smart Chain, which will make your works more popular. And connecting becomes easier than ever. Donate for quality articles, NFTs. With the donate feature on MyPetSocial, creators can earn extra income on our platform by receiving tokens from their fans, supporters. In addition, we will update the interactive function between fans and creators so that everyone can express their feelings through emoji icons. Communication between all NFTs gaming owners. You can increase your NFTs exposure by sharing them on MyPetSocial, so more people will get to see your NFTs. Share and bid together. NFTs, staking, farming. By using NFT tokens, MyPetSocial allows staking to be more dynamic. Instead of being tied to a user's wallet address when staking, it is linked to a transferable NFT. Marketplace. Users can create exclusive NFTs, buy, sell, auction, collect, and increase their profits. Gaming. Exciting games, and our partners can come to join us. We'll build a game ecosystem together where many other projects get to be a part of our games. Coin market cap. Check out information, charts, prices of your favorite crypto right on MyPetSocial. MyPetSocial, a social network for NFTs gaming on Binance Smart Chain.